Transferring cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, ensure you have a registered account on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and that you have the necessary funds in your Coinbase account. First, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the Send button next to the selected cryptocurrency. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address. To find this address, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the account dashboard. Click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This will display the deposit address, which is typically a long string of alphanumeric characters. Copy the deposit address and return to your Coinbase account. Paste the address into the recipient field, making sure to double-check that the address is correct. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and select the network fee. It is essential to note that different cryptocurrencies have different network fees, and these fees can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click the Send button to initiate the transfer. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the blockchain network congestion. After the transfer is complete, log into your Crypto.com account to verify that the funds have been received. The transferred cryptocurrency should appear in your Crypto.com account balance. Best practices for transferring cryptocurrency include double-checking the recipient address to avoid sending funds to the wrong address, using two-factor authentication to secure your accounts, and monitoring your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Crypto.com is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail to ensure a successful transfer. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency and start using it on the Crypto.com platform.